First Citizens Bank Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering banking with First Citizens Bank, here's everything you need to know before making the decision. First Citizens Bank offers a wide range of financial services, including personal and business banking, loans, credit cards, and investment options. One of its standout features is its user-friendly mobile app, which provides seamless account management, mobile check deposits, and bill payments. It's designed for individuals and businesses who value convenience and robust digital tools alongside traditional in-branch services. The bank is especially appealing to small business owners, thanks to its tailored business accounts, merchant services, and competitive loan rates. However, like any bank, it's not without its drawbacks. While First Citizens Bank has a strong presence in certain regions, its branch and ATM network is limited in others, which might be inconvenient for those who prefer face-to-face banking. Additionally, its interest rates on savings accounts and CDs are relatively lower compared to online-only banks. This means it might not be the best choice for those looking to maximize returns on their deposits. For customer service, First Citizens Bank offers 24/7 support through its hotline, along with in-branch assistance during standard business hours. Most users report positive experiences, but some reviews highlight occasional delays in resolving complex issues. It's worth noting that the bank's mobile app, while functional, could benefit from some updates to enhance navigation and integration with other financial tools. If you're someone who values a mix of traditional banking services and modern convenience, First Citizens Bank can be a great fit. It caters well to those looking for comprehensive financial solutions under one roof, including loans, wealth management, and everyday banking. However, if you're primarily after high savings rates or nationwide access, there might be better options for you. Before signing up, make sure to check their fees. Some accounts come with monthly charges unless specific requirements are met. Overall, First Citizens Bank delivers solid banking services with a personal touch, making it a trusted choice for many. But like with any financial decision, it's essential to weigh your specific needs and priorities before committing.